So this is the Swiffer WetJet. Swiffer is such a huge name in floor polishing and cleaning, and this is a really nice product. This is actually the first Swiffer I've had a chance to try, and I've really enjoyed this particular model. It is so sleek, and it keeps everything all together. Like, this whole system right here is all in place. It has the solution right built in, and it has the cleaning pads that you can actually take off and dispose of after. So it kind of makes it all very breezy and quick to do. The whole, system itself is very lightweight and easy to use. And in the fact that it swivels around, you can go under things. It has a little profile, and you can really turn around by kind of any corner or furniture or you might have. But really, the whole thing about it is just how quick and streamlined it is. You kind of take out any other equipment you might need. There's not like another extra item to carry water or the solution. It's just all together in one, which I think is pretty cool. So if you can see, the main way to use it is just this handle has a button, and when you press it, that's just how you spray the solution. Right now I have one in, and that is just pretty much it. You're off to the races. So if you want to see, this is how it looks. But check it out. It has lights on the bottom. It is kind of like your own mini cleaning submarine. This is how it feels. And then this is that's pretty much how you do it. And so it's a really nice floor polisher, mop, kind of all together in one. Safe on all kinds of floors, does a really nice job. And, it really just makes everything really quick and swift and pretty fun. So, I've been enjoying it.